Today we will discuss how we can change the resolution 300 dpi with 1 MB size. Here you can see the size of image is very large and resolution is 150 dpi. Now open the image on Photoshop. Now click on the option of image and then click on the option of image size. Set the resolution 300. Make sure the resample option is off. After that, save the image as JPEG. Make sure that all these options are unchecked. Click on the option of preview and here you can see the size of image. Please like and subscribe my channel.